Hello, my name is Juan Carlos Campaña. I am religious education student. I play carnival de blancos y negros. They are made in the city of Pasto, in the south of the country. Carnivals are very famous in the country. They are wonderful. They are made the first day of the month of January. People, children, and young people and adults participate in the carnival. In the carnival, there are dance, music, poetry, art. This is beautiful. There is a variety of gastronomy, and many people visit just the carnival de blancos y negros. A wonderful experience. Thank you very much.